Here we have a finite series problem. A group of players start a new D&D campaign. When messing around, one of the beginner players initiates combat with the most powerful villain of the campaign. Instead of annihilating the player's character, the DM or Dungeon Master allows the players to roll a 20-sided die 10 times for a lucky escape. The player must roll a natural 20 before the 10th roll. Create a finite series to determine the probability of the player succeeding. Okay, so we can start by writing out the geometric series sum equation, which is this to infinity n equals 1, and then it is times the first term rate and minus 1. Now, because this is a finite series equation, we can actually use the partial sum equation, where instead of infinity, we can use k, since we know that the term is going to be 9, but we'll get to that in a second. Okay, so we know that the probability of rolling a 20 out of 20 sided die is going to be 1 out of 20, which will be the first term in the sequence. And we also know that rolling anything but a 20 will be 19 out of 20, which should be the rate. Next, we can plug these values into the equation. Oops, we'll change that over here, but we'll have series sum 9, 1 out of 20 times 19 over 20, and then n minus 1. Now, we know those numbers, and we can use the partial sum equation, calculating those numbers. That's going to be a times 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. Plug in the values. 1 over 20, 1 minus 19 over 20 to the 9th. That's going to be 1 minus 19 20. Keep simplifying. 29. Simplify again. The bottoms equals out to be, that should be 1. So this should just be 1 minus 19 over 20 to the power of 9. And then using a little calculator, we can get to the final value, which is 0.3697. So 36.97%. So that is the probability that the character will roll a 20 before the 10th roll.